All right, guys, so here we are with my product red iPhone 13. So decided to go ahead and get me and the wife the iPhone 13s because I just didn't see that it was worth having the Pro models when the cameras perform the same just about in my testing. So got another 512 and another 256. Picked them up at the Apple store just a little while ago. So we're going to go ahead and peel these off. And this red is so much better. Okay, if you have a red iPhone 7, I think it was. I think the 7s were the nice ones. Wow, same stuff in the box. You get the just that. But this is about this device. And boy, oh boy, this red pops. It just pops. So that is another reason why I went with the product red. I got two. Again, we got a 512 and a 256 gig, both product red. I was gonna go with the Starlight, but I was like, ah. So I said I'm gonna save some cash and get rid of the Pro models, and just get these versions right here because after testing the cameras on the iPhone 13 Pro, I just couldn't justify it. So I said, you know what? Here we go again. Every year, I try out the Pro models, and then I get them, and I like them a lot. But ultimately, I end up going down, or going. I guess you could say going down, or yeah, going down a level to the 13 or whatever the one's right up under it. This is the better value for consumers, I would say, because I do like to look out for consumers when I can. And this little short, brief video will show you this device. Now, also another thing I like about this is the camera bumps aren't that big. The other camera bumps are huge, man, and I just wasn't a fan of that. So yeah, we're going to. I'm gonna start with this one again because really I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm. I guess when I do another video, it'll be on a review of the 13. I guess at some point. But I definitely wanted to. I'm gonna show you the cameras on this just to show you what I mean too, because the cameras on here are just like minus the telephoto lens, minus a few tweaks. But for me, it's about video quality, and video quality is the same on these devices. And again, I remember telling you about that. I was a little perturbed that they pretty much gave all of the features to all the devices. And I thought, I'm not getting ready to buy this Pro model. I got the same size screen and I got a really sweet color. Oh my gosh, this red is sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my phone set up. And start the journey all over again with the 13. I had no intentions on doing this, but after I shot my iPhone 13 Pro video, where's my Pro at? Boom, right there. I thought to myself, I was wrong about this. Not for myself. I didn't recommend anybody buy the 13 Pro, like regular consumers. But if in fact you wanted to get these devices for the cameras, you definitely can just go with the 13s, man. That's a no-brainer. And these camera bumps are just so much bigger on here. This looks crazy. But nonetheless, these are going to be out the door. I'm within my return period, so I had to go pick these up at the Apple store, and I didn't have the phones with me, so they're cool. Oh, bring them back, Mr. Williams. All right, I'll do it back like that. Nonetheless, these are going to be out of the door. Because I got to get a refund for these. So I paid for these up front, and then again it was kind of spur of the moment. I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to stick with this. So I'm not going to keep these, and I'm not going to sell them either. Normally I would put stuff up for sale, but I'm within my return period. So yeah. But this is a good look, man. You get a look at both of them side by side. I was definitely feeling some type of way though when I fired up these cameras on here, because I don't think these cameras are as great as what Apple put them out to be for the price. And then I can get the same type of performance on this device right here for the cameras for video. So there you have it, folks. It's your man Jay. Just want to show you the product red and let you know, Lord, I probably should have just went this route to begin with. But hey, we all make mistakes. This red is so deep in person, folks. It's beautiful. I forgot which iPhone it was for the product red. They had the deep red. I think it was the iPhone 7. No, I think it was the 8. One of them had a nice deep red, and that is what this looks like, man. This is incredible. All right, folks, let's get it.